Did you know that being exposed to secondhand smoke as an adult can lead to a heart condition known as chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, COPD? In this week's edition of the Health Report, Shamela Mitchell tells us more.
Health Report. Chronic obstructive pulmonary disease is a life-threatening lung disease that interferes with normal breathing. The primary cause of COPD is cigarette smoking.
Symptoms is difficulty in breathing. They are easily tired, and they get a lot of colds, pneumonia. They're more prone to getting pneumonia, and they get very, very short of breath.
Consultant surgeon and family physician Dr. Winston Dawes says the condition affects men and women almost equally. Dr. Dawes says the disease can lead to complications such as lung cancer and heart problems and may progressively lead to death.
What happens is that when people smoke or they have toxins in the environment, it damages the lungs, the airways, starting from the trachea, the bronchi, and the smaller airways, and also what I call the alveoli, which is where oxygen and carbon dioxide are exchanged between the atmosphere and the blood.
Although it can be treated with medication, prevention is key.
Prevention, the first one is taking care of yourself. Don't smoke. And don't be around people who smoke, because secondary smoke is also dangerous. So a lot of people think that because they don't smoke, they're safe. And a lot of people who used to go to nightclubs where people smoked, that they have damaged their lungs.
With your Health Report, I'm Shamela Mitchell wishing you good health. Health Report.